US indices traded with moderate bullishness across Asia and Europe session, but I can see largely flatter movement here after hitting the record levels yesterday. Now, big day today, the inflation data should be definitely making the indices go crazy again. Which direction it's gonna go? Are we looking forward to a stronger rally here, or the highs are done and wait for reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow today? With the inflation data and with the US session, we're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates on US indices such that you can profit across the Asia and Europe session trading the futures and now with the US session as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq, then Dow. Watch till. On the hourly charts, you can see price is taking support from 20 period here, which is a good sign for the bulls, and this suggests that it is still got lot much of room on the upside, but not if it trades below 65.40, 65.30 levels. If at all you see S&P trading below this zone, you can expect a possible reversal and there could be a good dump all the way towards 64.80 levels. Notice if you look at the pattern here, see the drop here, then it's higher highs, then a drop, and now again higher highs. Now if you see higher highs means it is lot much of room available till towards 6600 levels, but I am a bit cautious as long as now 65 60 levels are not taken. Let's wait for a breakout here. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over for a buy, RSI rising. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. The drop, then a pullback, then a rise here, and it is still looking upwards, staying bullish. Till for 65.60, you have to be cautious, and on the downside till 65.40, 65.20 zone is not taken. You have to be careful with the sells. If at all S&P trades below 65.20 any point of time, we can take a sell, expect 65.10 and 64.90, 64.80 the next target zone. Quite likely possible. Stochastic entering into overbought zone, MACD trying to cross over for buy, RSI rising. On the 3 hour charts, now what it has done, notice it has formed a very good flat base here. Now it is trying to bounce back. Lower highs are definitely seen, higher lows are seen. This is zone of consolidation. I'll still not treat this as either bullish or bearish, but yes, one thing is clear, you can see this. As long as now 65.60 is not taken, I will be not treating S&P as bullish, and as long as 65.30 is not taken, you have to be not treating it for a sell as well, and below 64.20 is 65.20 is where the bears will be back. Stochastic rising, MACD flat, RSI flat. On the 4 hour, you can see one swing, then a dip towards 20 period, and it is again looking upwards. Also look at the preceding few candles. Increasing body size, bigger tails suggest increasing bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to look at daily charts here. See, every rise offsets with a retracement, but here it is scaled towards the new highs after this greater swing. And see, the week it has stayed bullish with the support at around 64.80, which is the support it has to trade below in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Right now it is looking upwards, though the stochastic is overbought, but look at the MACD just crossed over on the buy side and there's lot much of room available on the upside. So considering this, what I'll recommend, uh see, you can buy here at 65 for 54 levels, expect 65.60 as the first target, 65.72 as the next, and then I will expect 65.90, 66 06, and then 66.25. Beyond this, sky is the limit. You can expect 66.50 as well. I am not looking forward to such a great rise, but yes, these are markets. And the selling entry you can take at 65.38, 65.30 first target, 65.20 next, 65.10. Till here, it is going to be a good support zone till 65.10. Below this, ideally, I'll be looking forward to 64.94, 64.80 the next. Below 64.80, we are going to see a very good sharp drop towards 64.50 and lower levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Tech 100 has shown a tremendous move right from 24,020 to 23,750, and now it is trading above the median here. Also look at the formation here. It has formed the support at 23,840, 860, and then a good rise breach past the resistance here at 23,950, 900, and now trying to look upwards. Now 23,950, 970 is the prime resistance here, which it has to break below. If at all Tech 100 fails to trade above this, do not treat this as bullish. What could happen? Rise retracement, and a drop below 23,840 will confirm a greater down move here. Stochastic at top, the MACD has crossed over here, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI flat here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, rise pullback, rise retracement, 50 period offered it a good support. Now trying to bounce back. It has shown a good rise. If you see it is staying below 23,840 level, certainly it will bring more bearishness, and then specifically till 23,700 it has got greater support. Any move below 23,700 should invite a greater crash. Things are the specifically the stochastic is overbought while the MACD and RSI still has room for further correction. On the 3 hour charts preceding two candles, diminishing body size, but see it has formed a very good support, and see this is also a double top level, so this calls for a possible beginning of reversal here. Hence, even if you see it is staying below till 24,020, at least we should not be treating tech 100 as bullish. Let's wait for it to trade below the 20 period and then more bearishness should follow. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is flat at top. On the 4 hour charts also, similar observation, the drop here, retracement. It is consistently staying bullish. Also higher lows and higher highs are seen. Hence, you should not be treating this as bearish as of now, as long as 23,800 is not taken. Yes, the stochastic is rising while see the MACD crossing over at the top. Certainly a bearish sign here. Yes, it has formed a good top. It is looking downwards. More bearishness might follow. RSI rise. Now on the daily chart, see higher lows and higher highs. And yes, it is trading bullish looking upwards. See this move here. I think it has to trade now beyond 24,020 in order to confirm any kind of bullishness. And notice what it has done. See, it has formed a double bottom. It has moved towards double. Hence, it has come towards a crucial resistance zone here. It has to decide the direction it wants to take. Though on stochastic is overbought, but you can see the MACD just crossing over at the bottom and the RSI rising is still supportive for bullishness here. So what I'll recommend where you should buy, and before I provide you the trading levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 34th mentorship batch uh, starting coming Monday, 15th of September. Register yourself now, reach out to me for details, and if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So where you should buy 23,950 is the level where you can initiate a buy. I'll say 23,975 also you should watch out for 24,000, 24,020. If at all, take 100 trades beyond 24,020. Stay bullish for 24,100. And then in fact 24,240, 24,500 should be there very soon. We have to wait for it to deliver such breakout. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 23,880. Expect 23,840, 23,800, and then you can expect a good drop all the way. Now see 23,740, 760, another support here. This is also you should watch out for. Then 23,700 will arrive. Below 23,700, stay short for 23,600, the next target. And below 23,600, it is going to deliver a massive correction. Trade accordingly. Let's move to down. US30 on the hourly chart, see clearly staying in the box here. It has to come out of this box, and the larger box here, 45,800 appears to be a wall. 45,000 is the support here, and since here you can see also higher lows and a flat top, this is a squeeze here. Very important for US30 to now trade below 45,400 levels in order to confirm 45,400, 45,300 is going to be an immediate support, below which it is going to deliver a massive down move. Moving averages are trading bearish, stochastic rising, MACD rising since the crossover. Supportive sign for further bullishness. RSI placed comfortably. On the 2 hour charts, when you see since the single line drop, it is now trying to recover. If you see it is staying beyond 45,600, you can buy here. But then 650, 700, 800. Till 45,800, it has got greater resistances on the upside. Stochastic overbought, MACD trying to cross over for a buy. RSI flat. And on the 3 hour chart, similar observations are here. You can see this is the box it has to come out of. Whenever it delivers a breakout, the next move is towards 45,000. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish. And on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Now notice on the 4 hour charts, drop retracement. And once it trades now below 45,480, you can just stay with the sells here. You can expect it to move towards 45,400, 45,300, 245,000 levels possibly. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily chart. See a flat top. This is important. And see moving averages upwards, taking the support here. This is a squeeze here. It has to come out of this squeeze. Now rise, squeeze. Once it breaks out beyond 45,800, we are going to look forward to a move towards 46,000 directly. Yes, it is going to look towards that levels. But right now I can see a greater struggle here. And if you see preceding candle, you can see lower lows are also seen. So any drop below 45,400 should confirm a greater move towards 300 and 200. Below 45,200, it's going to land at 45k levels. Stock is moving down, MACD bearish, RSI flat. So considering this, what you can do, see, you can buy at 45,600 levels, but then 650, 710, 800. Beyond 800, it's going to hit 46,000 levels directly. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 45,540, expect 500, 450, 400, and then below 45,400, it's 45,300, and then 45,200. Any drop below 45,200 should take it towards 45k directly. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it.